Hello and welcome to Fox Trading Solution. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about operators. Firstly, let us learn about the contents covered in this video. In this video, we are going to learn about different types of operators such as arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and identity operator. So, without wasting any more time, let us jump on to our contents. Firstly, let us understand what arithmetic operators are. Arithmetic operators in Python are used with numerical values to perform common mathematical operation. For example, if I have a number x is equals to 20 and y is equals to 15, I can perform various operations like x plus y for addition, x minus y for subtraction, x into y for multiplication, x divided by 5 for division. Also, I can find the remainder of the value by modulus operator x percentile y. We can also find the exponential value x 2 into y. Also, there is an operator known as floor division which rounds off the value to its lowest number. It is defined by x by y. This is the floor division. Now let us talk about assignment operator. Assignment operators in Python are used to assign a value to a variable. For example, x is equals to 5 is an assignment operator. X plus is equals to 3 is for incrementing the value of x by 3. This can also be written as x is equals to x plus 3. I am now printing the value of x. As you can see, it's 8. I can also decrement the value x minus is equals to 3, which in turn refers as x is equals to x minus 3. Now I am printing the value of x. As you can see, it's 5. In the same manner, we can perform different operations for multiplying, dividing, and for modulus. For example, x into 3 is equal to percentile x is equals to x 3. Let's print the value of x. We can see it's 125. It means we have found the exponential value of x raised to the power 3. We can also perform operation as x and is equals to 3. Let's print the value of x. It's 1. Now let us talk about comparison operators. Comparison operators in Python are used to compare two values. We can check if x is equals to y. It's false. The comparison operators returns value as a true or a false. Let us find for not equal to. As x is not equals to y, it is true. Let us find for the greater than operation. It's false again. We can also find for a greater than or equal to operation by giving x greater than is equal to 3. Similarly, we can find for less than and less than or equal to operation. Now let us talk about logical and identity operators. Logical operators in Python are used to combine conditional statements. There are three types of operators: AND, OR, NOT. Let us talk about the AND operator. If I am giving x less than 5 and x less than 10, here the value will return as a true if both the statements are true. Let us run this code. Just a second. It's true. Now let us talk about the OR operator. In OR operator, the operator returns true if one of the statements is true. It's a true again. Coming to the NOT operator. NOT operator reverses the result and returns a false if the result is true. X less than 5 and x less than 10. You can see the result has been reversed. Now let us talk about identity operators. Identity operators in Python are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. For example, x is y. Here the result returns a true if both the variables are the same object. As the variables are not the same object, it returned as false. We can also check by x is not y. This returns true if both variables are not the same object, which is in turn true. So this is all about this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.